Welcome to this video tutorial on setting default payment terms in Odoo. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of configuring payment terms for contacts and invoices, ensuring a seamless experience in managing payments for your customers and vendors. Payment terms play a crucial role in setting expectations for when payments are due. With Odoo, you can easily set default payment terms for your contacts or define them directly on invoices. Let's start with how to set up payment terms on a customer's contact record. Setting default payment terms on contacts. To assign default payment terms to a specific customer, start by navigating to the accounting app. Once there, click on Customers. Select the contact you want to edit from the list of customers. Once the contact record is open, click the Edit button in the top right corner. Now, switch to the Sales and Purchases tab. Here, you'll see details about whether the contact is a customer, vendor, or both. Under this section, you can assign default payment terms to the contact. These terms will automatically apply to sales and invoices moving forward. When you're done, click the Save button to confirm the changes. That's it. Default payment terms are now linked to this contact. Setting default payment terms on invoices. Now, let's see how to set payment terms directly on a customer invoice. In the accounting app, go to Customers Invoices. To create a new invoice, click on the Create button. Select the customer for the invoice. If the contact has default payment terms set, these will automatically appear in the Payment Terms field. If the customer doesn't have default terms, or if you need to change them, you can manually select the appropriate payment terms from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can set a specific due date if no payment terms are applied. Once the payment terms are set, complete the rest of the invoice details, such as the products, quantities, and taxes. When you're ready, click Save and then Post to finalize the invoice. Key takeaways. Here's what we covered in this video. Setting default payment terms on contact records. Applying payment terms on invoices. Flexibility to choose between predefined terms or specific due dates. By configuring payment terms correctly, you streamline your payment processes, avoid miscommunication, and maintain healthy cash flow for your business. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.